Hello, my name is Madison Scott. I was assigned to take a look at the University of South Carolina's Athletic Department financial statement. After looking at the statements, I found 3 cost-saving strategies that I would recommend changing and adjusting that will help reduce the university's expenses. I also found 3 revenue-changing strategies that I would adjust to hopefully bring more money into the school's athletic department. First, looking at the cost-saving strategies, I would adjust the amount spent on the equipment, uniform, and supplies. In order to reduce the spending from the equipment, uniform, and supplies, I would start by switching equipment from name brand equipment to cheaper brands, especially for the equipment and undergarments such as pads, towels, and water bottles. I would also try to organize more sponsorship deals. For example, introducing a sponsorship with a company such as Gatorade will avoid spending money on water bottles and other equipment such as towels. Not only would we be advertising their brand, but would be getting these items at a discounted price or possibly even for free. I would still keep the jerseys and helmets and the external uniform materials name brand for a good presentation. We would do this to look professional and classy. The uniform materials that are on the outside would be name brand because that is what the players, fans, and endorsers see. My next adjustment would be to reduce the recruiting travel expenses. I would advise the coach to create a smaller region for traveling to see a player play. This would bring down the long-distance travel expenses. Some coaches may worry by doing this they will not be able to recruit the best players due to them being outside of the traveling region. This is why I would introduce more prospect camps aimed for the athletes seriously considering USC that are further away. This allows the players and coaches to interact while also providing benefits such as the player being able to see the school, play with higher level athletes, and see all of the facilities on campus. The final adjustment I would make to the cost strategies would be to reduce the cost of direct facilities and administrative support athletic facilities, debt service, leases, and rentals. I would refinance the debts they have from athletics facilities. By doing this, you would try to get a lower interest rate where they would pay less. My next goal of bringing in a greater revenue would include making adjustments to admissions prices, contributions, and prices of concessions, programs, novelty sales, and parking. First, looking at the admission prices, I would suggest increasing the admission price by 2%. By doing this, I would change the total revenue from all sports from $28,611,572 to $29,183,803. This would be adding $575,231 each year just in admissions revenue. Penn State did something similar to this. They increased the price of the student tickets by $14 for the season, adding up to $2 a game. This is a 0.05% increase, but would add thousands of dollars to their revenue and admissions for the season in football. Next, I would make an adjustment and increase the contributions. I would hold more fundraisers for each sport, increasing the contributions to 2%. Ideally, by increasing these contributions to 2%, will increase the value of contributions by $748,882,000. This will take the contributions from $37,444,116 to $38,941,880. Lastly, I would adjust the price of concessions, program, novelty sales, and parking. I would do this by increasing the price of these by 1%. This will raise the concession, novelty sales, and parking from $4,354,303 to $4,397,846. This would be a total increase of $43,543. After all of these adjustments, I would ideally increase the revenue 0.09%, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is an increase of $1,367,065.